On the Tesla Model 3 2020 model year and earlier, if you press the button to open the frunk, this is what happens. Very hard to fit things inside if that's as far as it's going to open. So you need to actually manually at this point open it all the way. To solve that problem, you can buy new struts for your frunk that open it all the way. So you can buy these struts from several companies that will lift the frunk lid completely when you press the button to open it. These struts are from a company called Evanex. They were a gift from my brother, and I will show you how to install them now. So there is a tension ring down here where you're supposed to insert a thin screwdriver head, flat screwdriver head, and pry it off. Almost. And there's one on the top also, which should be a little easier to take off. I think an awl might be a little easier to get in instead of the flathead screwdriver. Let's see. It is. Both of them fell inside the car. Now to put the new one on, the thick part goes on the top, thin part goes on the bottom, and you simply insert it, pressing it in. Snaps in, and then similarly we do the top. I'm going to have to lower it a little bit. There we go. And press. And that step goes in very well. Okay, let's do the passenger side. And I'll be using the awl instead of the thin screwdriver. I think it's going to work better. Okay, it's loosened up. I'm going to try to catch it before it falls into the space there this time. See how successful I am. I got it. I'm getting good at this. Now we'll do the top. Again with the awl, a little space up there. The tip of the awl fits in very easily, and we can get off the ring. Got that one too. All right, now I'll pull off the old strut. And again, with the new strut, thick part up, thin part down. We'll put in the bottom over with a little knob. And same for the top. Now the pistons may be a little stiff, and if you try to close the frunk quickly the first time, the resistance in the pistons may actually cause you to bend the lid. So what you need to do is, for the first few times, to jiggle the lid. Bring it down a little, up a little, down and up and down, up and down. And now, for the big test, I will press the button to open up the frunk. It works.